Hey guys, it's King Logan here, back with another video, and I know I haven't uploaded in such a long time, but if you guys didn't know, today is National Watermelon Day, and today I'm going to try a watermelon, and this is my first time eating it, and I hope I like it, and I hope you guys like the video. So, let's eat it. It's not bad. I feel like I've tasted this before. It's not crunchy at all. And, well, I don't really know how to phrase the things about it.
Eat some more.
Okay, I'll eat more. Very juicy too, by the way. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe and turn all notifications on. See you guys next video. Bye.